Hello again, my name is Matt and I'm here to tell you about our new online Action Games Coding course for beginner and intermediate Scratch coders. Scratch can be used to create a wide range of games, but perhaps the most popular are games that challenge the player to win against enemies. We can create effective AI enemies that chase and attack the player-controlled sprite, and we can give the player tools to defeat those enemies. With the addition of animated effects, health systems, sound effects, and music, you can create a complete game that is both challenging and fun. And as we say at the Pixel Gang, the next best thing to playing a game is playing a game you have created. So please do come and join us, improve your coding skills, and learn new techniques that you can use to create your own game.